Truth is, in your life and in your journey and in your dream, you're going to have these struggles. You're going to have times when you're going to have to buckle up and push. You're going to have times when things are going to be just miraculously unfolding and beautifully. But the moment that you recognize that calling of your heart, and number one, know that it's your dream. Know that it's your dream. Know that you don't necessarily need permission from anyone to live your dream, to live your purpose. You're already ready. You're all ready to head out the door. Whatever that might be, that one small step that you can take today towards whatever that is, whatever that's calling your heart, there's always something, some small activity that you can do that moves you in that direction. And then move, take action, because it's when you take action, things start to unfold. Just like that Henry David Thoreau quote, move confidently in the direction of your dream. And then know that, when you have difficult moments, just stay in that high vibe. Whether it's flat tires or whether it's bills to pay or whatever that is, just know that you'll get through it and be the journey, enjoy the journey, because there's so many things in our life that may not go as planned, but it may actually go better.